Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today it is all about making the 86 look so much better, and it's something that I've been wanting to do for years and years and years. It's got something to do with changing how your rims look, those things. And I'm gonna unbox and show you what I have bought for the 86. I am so stoked, and trying to film on my iPhone, so just changing some stuff up. Gonna use the GoPro, but yeah, let's go and unbox those rims. So here they are in all, oh, there's a car over there. Here they are in all their glory, all their beauty. Let's take the Stanley knife to it, show you guys what I bought. Some freshies. Honestly, I'm so excited. We did it, boys. Some Volk TE37s. Like, can you even get any better? I'm so stoked. Let's quickly unbox all of them, and I'm going to tell you what we're going to do. So everything is unpacked. I've opened up all the rims now. They look amazing, and this is basically the final product. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to get them on. Gonna look 5 times better, I reckon. Let's put all of these inside the back of my car that everyone says is not practical, and show them how practical it really is. Let's get it. And just like that, we loaded. 86 the GP represents. How's that for an unpractical car? No. This car is so practical, honestly. And we're gonna get a new flywheel while we're out as well for the pickup, because I need one of those. So let's get it. Okay, let's go get these rims put on the car. First things first, cold start for the boys. Okay, we're on the way to go and install these bad boys. Again, the 86 proving itself to be an unpractical car. But anyway, let's put you on some time lapse, get some shots of the road, and go install these rims. Okay, stop one, done, and an unexpected sequence in the vlog. We see a crowd killer. Honestly, these things are everywhere. I don't get it. But anyway, let's go. Second stop, go get the flywheel. We've got some stuff for the Pajero. Now, for my pickup. Let's go. So, we've got another flywheel. I couldn't just find the ring gear, which was pretty irritating, but so I just bought a new flower wheel with a decent ring gear instead of having to find a ring gear for the flower wheel, which I just was not able to do at all. And I tried everywhere, even to try imports, I just couldn't do it. But anyway, so now we have a new flower wheel and a decent ring gear, so we can put that on soon. That means the pickup truck's going to be running. That's going to be the daily, so we don't have to drive this poor thing everywhere. But now onto the most important part of the video and the most significant part of the video, the actual rims. We're gonna go put them on now. Literally, we are on the way to the wheel shop right now. So let's go. And boys, here we go. This is an after. Oh my gosh, I am honestly I've got no words. I honestly have no words how nicely these rims fit on the car. I mean, man, look at that. This is like flush. It's like bang on. I'm honestly so I'm so stoked. I can't believe how nicely this came out. I'll do a conclusion when I get home. First, I need to get something to eat. Like, just look at this. So, as you saw, I am so stoked with the rims, guys. All the wheels. The setup is amazing. It just looks so good. Just getting some mandatory KFC. Big yes. And then I'll do a conclusion and a full proper walk around as soon as I get home. Man, I'm so stoked, so stoked. Honestly, it just changes your car completely, and the fitment is so flush. Everything is wow. Mandatory KFC. Hell yeah. Let's finish this, and then I'll show you guys the end product. So this is on my way home. This is the route that you use to get from the one side of the dam to the other side, and it's through the tunnel, and that means. We know what happens when we go through tunnels. We have to, don't we? We love it. We love it. So I reckon to end today's video on a super high note. I mean, look at the car from this angle, look at the rims. Oh, mad, honestly insane. Just another thing that I was realizing, like people mustn't stop thinking about what other people think of their builds. Just do what you want to do. Don't listen to what everybody else wants to do. Don't copy every other guy. Do what you want to do. I mean, I wasn't sure how they were going to look on this car, and then I mean, look at them though. They are amazing. So I'm so happy with them. I mean, look, just perfect. But as always, guys, it's gonna wrap up today's video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and another thing, don't forget to always send it. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.